So I bought these tools on Amazon on Prime Day. Brushless reciprocating saw, a brushless multi-tool, the rest are not brushless, just a regular drill, impact driver, and flashlight. Let's unbox. Nice bag with a DeWALT logo on it. Comfortable grip. User manual. Flashlight. Okay, I have done an extensive review on this one. Impact driver. DCF-AA5. A great multi-tool. This is brushless motor. Sometimes you need to make a very intricate cuts, and it's gonna be impossible to make without such oscillating tool like that with a proper blade. Okay, this is our regular drill. A charger 107. I believe it is a PT slow charger. More user manuals. It got a manual for each tool. Battery pack. I believe this is 1.5 amp battery pack. We have two of them. Well, we have two blades here for the oscillating tool. This is a really budget setup. It has no fuel gauge. You know, there's no way to check the battery life on this battery pack. I love this flashlight so much. You know, I made a very dedicated review on this. So make sure you guys check it out. Yeah. Again, use the diffuser, just a simple plastic bag to avoid that hot spot. Okay, so this is so much easier to look at. So this is the one without the plastic, and this is the one with the plastic covering as a diffuser. This is the one I already have. This is a new flashlight from the toolkit. This thing smells great. I love the smell. Torque adjustment. Speed selection. The installation is super easy. Just clamp it down to remove and install the blade. And of course, make sure the battery is disconnected when you change the blade. For safety reasons, there's a safety lock. The trigger will not be engaged if you push all the way down there. 20 volts max, made in USA. The model number CS367. Again, there's a lock. You push it to the right. The trigger will not engage. Only when you push it to the left, you'll be able to push it down. The battery is not included in this kit. a very unique blade clamp design and a LED light. I'll probably use a 5 amp battery with this one. Let's do a quick charging test. I have a power meter hooked up. This is the DCB107 charger. And let's try the included battery, 1.5 amp. And the charging speed is around 26.2. Again, due to the lack of the power indicator, I have no idea what the state of charge is compared to the traditional 2 amp battery. I also have 115, which is a fast charger rated at 4 amps. This is 1.25 amps, the included charger. So we get 26.3. If we use the fast charger, let's see the numbers. I'm sure they're gonna be different. Right off the bat, we got 64, 76. Yeah, that is consistent with my test using a depleted 2 amp battery. I would highly recommend 115. It should dramatically cut down the charging time, and the included 107 is pretty slow. So again, this is 4 amp, this is 1.25 amp. So if you are in a hurry, you should really get a faster charger. This is appropriate. It should fully recharge a 2 amp battery in about 20 to 30 minutes. On this one, I don't know, it's gotta be more than an hour. If I have to start over, and this is gonna be my first tool purchase, impact driver. Not only can drive in screws, but if you get the correct bit, it can drill, right, with the countersink bit. Changing bit is extremely simple. With one hand, it will shoot out like that. You can load it with one hand. Variable speed control, you just press down and the speed will go faster and faster as you press down, okay? Another tip, put a magnet here. So we'll hold your bits or screws. And the drill, this is versatile because you will not be limited to these bits you may have because of the larger chunk, right? It will hold much bigger stuff, a stick, you can do whatever, but the changing bit is not as easy. So I highly recommend these tools. This is just a quick unboxing and overview of these toolkit I just purchased. So a detailed review for each tool will come later. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time.